This is not just a car. It's a Maybach, a symbol of power, prestige, and perfection. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is here, bringing unmatched luxury and a monstrous V12 engine to those who demand the absolute best. Handcrafted luxury, cutting-edge technology, supreme comfort. Join us as we take a deep dive into this masterpiece on wheels. And if you love luxury cars, hit that subscribe button for more high-end vehicle content. The 2025 Maybach S680 commands attention from every angle. Signature Maybach grille. A bold chrome-finished grille with vertical slats, making a striking first impression. Two-tone paint finish. Hand-applied, taking over 1 week to perfect, ensuring a seamless polished look. Digital LED headlights. Adaptive technology that projects lane markings, road signs, and safety alerts directly onto the road. Exclusive 21-inch Maybach forged wheels, designed for ultimate smoothness and style. This car isn't just built, it's crafted for those who demand nothing but perfection. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of opulence and innovation. The 2025 Maybach S680 is like having a private jet on wheels. Executive rear seats with reclining function. Your personal first-class lounge, with up to 43 degrees of recline. Hand-stitched Napa leather and wood trim. Every surface feels as good as it looks. MBX Hyperscreen, a massive 56-inch curved glass display integrating AI-powered controls, navigation, and entertainment. Burmester 4D surround sound, 30 speakers with vibrating seat technology that lets you feel the music, champagne fridge, and silver-plated flutes. Because luxury isn't complete without a toast to success, Mercedes-Maybach redefines what it means to travel in style. Under the hood, the 2025 Maybach S680 delivers effortless power with its handcrafted V12 engine. 6.0L twin-turbo V12 engine producing 621 horsepower and 738 lb-ft of torque for ultra-smooth acceleration. 0-60 mph in just 4.4 seconds. Lightning speed for a full-size luxury sedan. 9-speed automatic transmission and 4-matic AWD, ensuring silky smooth. Gear shifts and maximum grip. Rear-wheel steering. This large sedan feels as agile as a sports car on tight city streets. This is power, precision, and prestige, all in one package. Luxury isn't just about comfort, it's about peace of mind. The 2025 Maybach S680 is loaded with state-of-the-art safety and autonomous technology. Level 3 autonomous driving. The Maybach can drive itself on highways while you relax in the backseat. Active distance assist and lane keeping, ensuring smooth, stress-free driving. Camera with augmented reality assists with precise parking and navigation. Pre-safe impulse side protection uses sensors to detect collisions and raises the car by 3 inches to minimize impact. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach S680 is more than just a car, it's an experience. From its breathtaking design to its unmatched luxury, this sedan is built for those who expect the absolute best. Would you choose the Maybach S680 over a Rolls-Royce or Bentley? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe to Exotic Vehicles for more luxury car reviews. And don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned for more high-end car content.